Hi, everyone. This is Mr. Kalala from 7 Explorer here. Myself and Miss O'Hanley over in Challenger and Miss Hupper in Discovery wanted to make sure that you all know how to access your book digitally via the website. It's going to be very important that you know how to do that, obviously more so than ever this year. So we just wanted to run through that quickly, make sure everybody knows how to do it. So we're going to just quickly run through the process. Right here, you're going to obviously want to log into this website. You should be kind of familiar with this from last year. It does look a little bit different. It is now called Savvas, Savvas. You can see that in the top left-hand corner. It's all exactly the same. It just has a new name. If you don't know how to get to this login screen, just as a quick reminder, you want to go here, www.tinyurl.com/WPS Envisions. Obviously, WPS for Wilmington Public Schools, and Envisions is the what it used to be called before it changed to Savvas, but we're still going to use this URL here. So if you go to that, it'll bring you to this screen. You'll see it says Wilmington Public Schools right here. Okay. You're going to go ahead and you're going to log in. Okay, so now once you're logged in, it should look like this. You may see, if we look over here on the left-hand side, there are two things listed. That's because your science book is also in 7th grade listed on the same website. But if you click on Savvas Realize over here on the right, it's going to open up what you should be familiar with from 6th grade. So here, if we open up the Browse section, we have both your science and math books for the year. I'm obviously going to go ahead and open up the math book because that's what we're talking about. All right, and you can see here that I have all the different topics that we're going to cover throughout the year. We have 8 total topics. Obviously, if you are in the enhanced class, this will look slightly different because the enhanced has some different topics. If you want to access your book digitally, go into whatever topic we're currently working on. So if I click into topic 1, and then it lists everything out by section, I'll just go into the very first section. Whatever section you click into, you will have options right at the top for either the interactive student edition or the student edition e-text. My recommendation would be to use the e-text rather than the interactive one. The only difference is that the interactive one allows you to put little drawings on the screen and everything, things that you may or may not be using, where the e-text is a little bit more straightforward. So I'm going to click on the e-text. It's going to open up, and it says open a new window. Just go ahead and click that, and it'll bring you right to a digital copy of your textbook. Just takes a second here. There you go. So this is the first page of the first section of your book. You can see the whole page here. On the bottom right, you will see the buttons back and next. We can just flick those buttons and just quickly go through the different pages in that section. And we can actually just continue from there as far as we want. You can also use the menu up on the upper right-hand corner. If I click on that and then click Table of Contents, you will see we have here topic 1. And if I scroll down, section 1.1, we have section 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and so forth. All of section 1, then on to topic 2, 3, 4, etc. So I can access the entire book from here. I hope this helps. You guys should be able to get in and see your book digitally at any time. Make sure you check in with your individual teacher if you have any questions.